I find bridges quite fascinating in general, probably due to the size and the loads that they need to carry, but also due to the function they play in the society. The project at Buddinge is part of a larger project which aims at establishing a light rail system in the outskirts of Copenhagen. And this particular site is very challenging because we need to establish the light rail tracks below the existing railway bridges. At the same time, we instate a brand new station for the light rail, as well as a connection accessway between the light rail platform and the railway platforms. I am a discipline lead for the structural design part on this project, where I work alongside with several structural engineers as well as geotechnical engineers to get the structural aspect of the design done. But at the same time, I'm responsible for managing the interfaces with the other disciplines in the project. This is a highly interdisciplinary project where, in addition to the normal interfaces with drainage, electrical installations that we often have to keep track of in an infrastructure project, at this location and on this project, we also have an interface partner that is in the future going to install the railway equipment that we need to keep track of at all times and align on the interfaces. This makes it very exciting for me because many of these topics are somewhat new to me and I'm learning a lot on the way. I really like working for a company where I know I have access to some of the coolest projects in Denmark, but also internationally, in fact. And it's also important for me to be surrounded by some of the best specialists in the industry and knowing that I can always find someone to help me out solving even the most challenging tasks.